Use logarithms to write y equals ab to the x in the form y equals cx plus t. So we'll start with y equals ab to the x and take the natural log of both sides. Once again, we're going to use log a plus log b is log ab, and we're going to use it in this direction. So ln y is going to be ln a plus ln b to the x, and then we'll use ln a to the n is equal to n ln a, or log, and that means the power just drops down in front there. So we get ln y is ln a plus x ln b. And that is of the form y equals, in this case, d plus cx, where x is the big X, ln b is the gradient, ln a is d. So if we were doing a plot for that one, we would have ln y on this axis, because we can see that's there. We would just have x on this axis, and when we draw the line, the intercept here would be ln a, and the gradient would be ln b.